To add music to your Instagram story, first of all, click to create the story. Now let's select an image. And now from here, you will have to click on this music icon. And now you'll be able to search for the music recommended for you, or you can also browse from here. So let's say that I want to get this one, so I have to click on it. And now it will be added. Now it will be added into my story. And from this part, I can actually pick any fragment of this music that I want to get, and also I can change the time, so from the 15 seconds to, for example, 5 seconds. And here I can also change the information about this music. So right here I can, for example, pick this title of this music, and right here I can get the image of the album. And now when I click done, I can actually move it. I'm gonna just mute the sound. There we go. So now I can move it wherever I want, and it was added to my story. And now to finish, all you have to do is just to click to add it to your story. And now when you open it, you will have to click on it once to actually play this music. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.